Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type th in world and th in date in world. So how to type this th in world, very easy and a quick way you can type this th in world. So firstly need to follow some my easy steps, like need to type here numbers. You need to add th. So type here number, like need to type this fifth. So firstly type this pi and th, and now select this th and click on home tab, and this super slip, just click on it, and there is a shortcut is control shift plus is equal to. So now you see this will be running, th will be running, this small letters will be typing. So how to turn off this? So again click on this super slip, so this is turned off, and now you can type this normal letters, and shortcut is th. Firstly type this th, control shift plus equal to, type th, select the number, now press and hold shift plus control shift plus is equal to. So you can very easily type this. Now turn off, control shift plus is equal to turn off this. So very easily you can type the th in Word, Microsoft Word and MS Word, and you can insert the date also. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.